The safe vaccination system is a set of activities and institutions that are behind every vaccination in every country in the world. Its role is to implement actions that prevent and monitor harm to people's health. There are 5 components that guarantee the safety of the vaccination process. 1. Regulatory processes that ensure the use of quality vaccines. 2. Storage and distribution standards. 3. Policies and practices for secure vaccine administration. 4. Surveillance for events supposedly attributable to vaccination or immunization. And 5. The prevention and management of vaccine confidence crises. The first component consists of ensuring quality vaccines that are safe and effective, which starts with the application of recommended clinical and non-clinical research practices during the development process and following good manufacturing practices. Once the vaccine has been investigated, each national regulatory authority must evaluate for the first time and on an ongoing basis the efficacy, safety, and quality in production of the vaccine and decide whether such vaccines can be used in their country. This is needed to make sure vaccines really generate benefits and do not cause any harm to the health of the population. In addition to national regulatory and control practices, most vaccines purchased by national immunization programs have been evaluated by the WHO and are part of the list of pre-qualified vaccines. Ministries of Health and national immunization programs should ensure that from their arrival in the country until their final use, vaccines are stored and distributed under recommended temperature conditions and in establishments authorized by the national regulatory authorities. When the product arrives at the institution where it will be administered, the responsibility for safekeeping and maintaining the cold chain lies with the trained health professionals. For their part, the administrative authorities of the institution must provide the necessary conditions to have a safe product. Although these measures ensure the control of multiple risks, it is possible that events supposedly attributable to vaccination or immunization, ESAVI, may occur. Therefore, surveillance seeks early detection and analysis of adverse events so that a rapid and appropriate response can be developed to minimize the negative impact on people's health and on the immunization program. The information generated by the National ESAVI Surveillance System gives tools to all those responsible for vaccine safety that allow to detect quality problems in production or deviations in the usage of the product, to discriminate events erroneously associated with the vaccination process, and to identify previously unrecognized risks potentially arising from the interaction of the biological product with the recipient's immune system. An essential factor in the process is risk communication, appropriate management of information on regulatory activities, and safety surveillance should facilitate appropriate responses to a potential crisis in public confidence generated by rumors about vaccines. This will mitigate a potential negative impact on vaccine acceptance and consequently on protection against infectious diseases. This is how a safe vaccination system works.